Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and my name is Nandini Art and Craft. So today I'm back with a new video. So today in my new video I'm going to show you how to make easy DIY Teachers Day card. As you know, the Teachers Day is coming, so I thought an idea to make a beautiful card so that you can gift a card to your teachers. So let's start with the procedure, but before starting, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and make sure to hit the bell icon placed in the corner for getting more and more notifications about my upcoming videos. So let's start with the procedure without any delay. First of all, take here a square paper of 16 by 16 centimeter. So now just fold it into the shape of a bouquet. Now I have folded in the shape of a bouquet. Now stick the leftover portion together with the Fevicol. Flower for the greeting card. So take here any square paper. Now just fold this into a half, then into another half as a square. Press it, and from this end keep one round lid of any box and just draw a circle out of it. Don't draw the complete circle, left little part of it, and just increase the circle and make 2 lines to the point. Now using scissor cut it. Now just when I'll open, they form a simple flower as kept here. Now take pencil and just make a pattern as I'm showing. Just repeat this process on all of the petals. Now I have done the same process with all the petals, and here you are required with the 8 such petals. Now just add glue to the both portion little as I am showing. This process is the must to see, so please follow this process as I am showing. Now just hold it together and just stick it like this. Now stick it like this. Now add the glue to the last portion. Now let it dry for some time. Then take another petal and just add glue to its center and stick the prepared one, and same way add glue to its portion as I am showing. So first we're gonna stick these parts. And now again let it dry for some time. Now take back your other petals and take and add glue to its center and stick the other one as I am showing. Now another one, same. Now using the back of the pencil, press it to the back like this. Now just add glue in the center and stick this portion. Now add glue to its center again. Now stick this. Now add glue and stick this left portion. And add glue to its center and stick this flower. See how it is? It's a beautiful flower is ready. Now let's move to the third step. Now take here a square paper of 21 by 21 centimeter. Now just fold this paper like this. from the edge and then another fold. Now I have folded this like this. Now turn it back and make here a semicircle using pens. And now using scissor cut it. Now you will get here a shape like this. Now here you are required with 3 lines. Now we're gonna stick it inside this card. So open it like this and add glue to this part. And stick it on the first end. And take these smaller than these. Now just stick it like this as I'm showing. Now stick this in the last end and this one in the center. Now see, I have sticked in all the dents. So now let's back to the
Fourth portion.
Now take here 3 square paper of any size and of any color. Now just draw. Now draw here a circle of any size. And just using scissor
Cut it.
Now just take here a black sketch pen and draw here a pattern whatever I am showing you. See, follow this process all over as I am showing.
Small, big, small, big.
See, now I have cut it this shape and follow this shape on the other circles. Now just I have cut it all the shapes as shown you. Now just stick it as I am showing. Now stick it on the first end, then take another and stick it on the second. Like this, and take the third one and stick it in the third dent. Now just make a stem using black sketch.
Admirable Nandini Art and Craft. Please subscribe my channel.
And this. Now mark 2 holes as I am showing using hole punch. Now take any pen as a gift for teacher and just keep it like this in the center.
Don't try to give this to your teachers.
Now just keep your pen aside first and just insert these ribbon through the holes. from the other circle too. Like this. Pat your flower and just one strip of white color paper and add glue to its right and left side as I'm showing, and stick it on the flower at the back. Now let it dry for some time. Now at the back I have inserted the pen through its center. Now just keep it like this in the center as I'm showing. Now tie a knot over the pen.
My channel contains only trending videos. My next video topic is how to make water cooler.
And now make here a shape of a bow. Now I have cut it out here, a die cut out leaves. Now I'm gonna stick it. So add glue. Now I'm having some white pearl. I'm gonna stick it using blue one. Now I have made here a paper butterfly. I'm gonna stick two both together. Now I have written on the circle Happy Teachers Day tag embellishment. Now I'm gonna stick it. Now just stick it in the center. Now I have made here a paper butterfly and I'm gonna stick it. So let them dry completely. Now I have taken here some stones to stick over this embellishment. So cover its outer part using these stones. Like this. See, now I have covered the stones on all over the circle and made here a butterfly. And see how beautiful it is looking, the inside part. So I'll show you how it is looking. And see, you must try this and gift it to your teachers. They will like it most. And as you know, the Teachers Day is coming, so just firstly watch my video and then make it as I'm showing. I hope you guys like the video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and yes, make sure to hit the bell icon placed in the corner for getting more and more notifications about my upcoming videos. And I will be keep coming to you with such more innovative ideas. And see how beautiful this is looking. You can keep any gift for your teacher as a gift inside the greeting, or also you can keep chocolates. Here you can keep the mini chocolate and tie it with the ribbon as a bow. So thank you for watching. Till then, bye bye. We will meet you in the next video.
#make more.